Incredible morning, my gators. So, this morning I decided to bring you along with me. I am, if you are new, the single mom versus the fixer upper. I have a fixer upper I purchased in my 40s, starting all over in a new state, in a new city where I have no friends and family. Well, I didn't when I first moved here. It has been a journey, guys. It has been a journey, but I'm being grateful through the journey. I'm being grateful through the process. As you would have seen, I lit my candle in the morning because I knew I was starting my day off here in the morning. Now, the thing is, I usually make sure my kitchen is clean the night before, but it was more important to have family time. We had movie night and had a great time. We ordered some Little Caesars pizza and just enjoyed ourselves. And I was like, you know what? That kitchen can wait until tomorrow. And guys, don't beat yourself up. It can't wait till the next day. I am a homemaker. I am a mom. I have been on YouTube for several years and I've been trying all the things to just, I'm not going to say fit in because I'll never do that, but just make me to be known in the algorithm. And I really don't like to record frivolous content. I literally like to do what's natural, what I do every day, and what is a part of my life. And so today I wanted to do something a little different. I don't know if you guys want me to talk throughout the video or if you want me to talk at random times. This is something new. Tell me in the comments. If you're new to my channel, make sure you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. This is currently Vlogtober that you're seeing this, and hopefully by the end of this month I will have everything in order and know what days will be great days for me, and I can give you at least one or two long videos throughout the week of things that I do in my life as a homemaker. If that's something you're interested in, like my bread making, my staple makings from jams to syrups and all that stuff, I definitely am willing to share those things, and I have a lot of those things already on my channel. But this morning we're going to tackle this kitchen and get it cleaned and start my day. So please enjoy the video. I am so old school. I'm so old school. I actually have a brand new dishwasher that I purchased with the appliances for the home, but it's not connected to my countertops. As you can see, these are temporary countertops that I got from Facebook Marketplace, but they are doing the job until my new countertops and sinks are installed. Hopefully within the next week, I will be doing a video as well, and it may be a part of Vlogtober as well. So we shall see. Later, Gators, talk to me in the comments. I do talk back. is actually why I love doing my own nails, because things like this happen. So I'm going to stop what I'm doing and I'm going to put this right in here. I'm going to fix this nail and go get the items and then proceed on with finishing the kitchen. So I have my nail glue and I have some dehydrator. I have poured a little bit of acetone in there to remove that glue so I didn't damage the top of my nail. So I'm drying it on my little mani-pedi towel that I use when I'm wiping my nails or hands off. And I'm just going to take dehydrator and put it on the nail to make sure there's no wetness, because that's what makes the glue not stick. And these have been on for about a week and a half now, so that's a good thing. But I wash my hands a lot and I do a lot inside of water with my hands. So that's why I love that I do my own nails. And that's why you're going to see me promote that a lot on my channel. Ways to save money and ways to keep your coins, for other things. And I like to change them and switch them up a lot. So this works for me. So I'm just repairing my nail and then we're going to get back into the video, guys.